Kumu, it has been a hot minute. We haven't seen each other for a little while, yeah?
We've seen each other in passing, like,
True.
hi, good to see you, brother. But we have not been on this lovely green stage in 2 years?
I think maybe a little over 2 years.
A little
you know.
over 2
My
years.
goodness.
Isn't it wonderful to see everyone out here?
This is gorgeous. Like I said, boy, we came up about 20 minutes ago and we'd fill up even more. So thank you folks for joining us here on a beautiful Wednesday. Whew, Kona Nui Nights, are you folks ready? Oh, I think they're ready, but before we get into the meat of things tonight, want to recap what you've been up to? You're always so busy.
Yes, I am busy, but before I tell everybody what my busy is, let's just remind our friends and family that have joined us this evening about Kona Nui Nights. Ladies and gentlemen, o ke aloha nui ia oko, ke aloha nui, mahalo anu ia oko no ko oko kipa ana mai, kalaun ana mai, e ko oko ho'onenea, i ke ia, ke kahua, ma nei aino kukulu aio, makai o kopoleno o ke walo, ma me Kakaʻako, ma nei iho i kako, i Kapoli o Ward Village. No leila, ke aloha nui no ia oko. Kona Nui Nights is brought to you by Ward Village because there was a dream, there's a vision to ensure that the voices of Hawaii, our Hawaiian music, dance and song would continue to free flow in and about these spaces, and that you would also have the ability to hear Olelo Hawaii, to hear Hawaiian language spoken as it should be in our places and spaces. So this was, as someone who helped to be a part of that dream, this is sort of my little dream baby. And so it's very moving to my heart to see all of you. Mahalo nui ia oko for being here and with us. With that, please let me invite everyone. June 17th, if you are going to be anywhere near the Bishop Museum, go online, check it out. Bishop Museum, there's a new exhibit coming up, and it is a bilingual exhibit. In fact, maybe you want to come check it out.